This is how to factory reset or hard reset your LG Stylo 4. This is what it looks like as the stylus. Let's learn. Okay, we're going to hold down, volume down, and power at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. As soon as we see the LG logo, let go with power, hold with power again. We're going to keep holding, keep holding. All right, now we have the delete all user data, including LG and carrier apps, and reset all settings. This is the same as the factory reset. We're going to use volume to scroll to yes, press OK with power, and it asks us to confirm one more time. And we're going to use volume to scroll to yes, and we're going to touch power. And I think you only have to touch it once, and it just takes a moment. There we go. And then it takes, depending on how much data is on your phone, it could take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two to factory reset your LG Stylo 4. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.